Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can turn on incognito mode in YouTube. So if you think that you can watch YouTube video without any saving your data or without any history, then you can watch as a incognito mode. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem regarding Android and social media, please let me know in comment below. I will give you a solution video in upcoming tutorials. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So we need to go YouTube. Click here on YouTube icon. Then click the icon. Here you can see the top right corner. Here you can see this icon. Click on it. Then here you can see the option turn on incognito mode, this one, right? So when you click on this option, then this is not your account. So if you watch some video, then this video will not save in your cookies, or it will not be saved in your account. Okay, so this is a temporary settings. So if you don't want to recommend your YouTube video, then you can see this. Okay, so you can use this. So here you can see the bottom corner. Okay, here you can see bottom corner, your incognito mode. So whatever you want or whatever you search here. Okay, so whatever you search here, this search term will not be saved in your history, Facebook watching history, right? So you can try it. So it is very good. So if you think that you need to watch some video, then you can use as a incognito mode. Okay friends, today is no more, and if you think that this video was very helpful for you, please subscribe this channel and give a like, and if you have an opinion, please comment below. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.